In this video, I will teach you how to link Microsoft Planner with Outlook. So in order to actually link your Microsoft Planner on your Outlook, what you can do is you first need to head over to Planner itself by going to planner.cloud.microsoft. Now from in there, you just need to actually input right here your details, such as signing in. So do take note that you need to sign in into an account that has an existing subscription to Microsoft Planner. So it can be under your own plan or under an organization's plan. Click on this sign in, then proceed to input your email and password in order to sign into your account. Now, in order to link your Microsoft Planner with Outlook, what you can do is you can just add a plan to your Outlook calendar by selecting the particular plan on your planner. So let's click on this My Plans option. Now we have in here our options right here. You can just click on a particular plan. For example, let's choose in here this one. Just click onto the three dots after that. You can pin the plan or copy the link to the plan itself. Now, in there, you just need to publish it to your feed. So let's head over first and open this. So here it is right here. What we can do is we can click onto the share option and it will open in here this. You can create a group that has an option or an actual idea for this part. Now, also to take note that you need to have the same account for both Planner as well as your Outlook in order to show that right there. Now, subscribe the speed to your web browser in order to actually have it. And then from in there, you can just publish it to your iCalendar feed. Now, just choose the Add to Outlook option and the button that will open onto your calendar in the tab. And then from there, just subscribe to the web tab and then change your calendar name if you want and import and add planner to your Outlook calendar using this part. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.